Yeah man, bless upon yourself and welcome back to the channel. Still here again from beautiful Montego Bay, Jamaica. Jano, look on the water like a spring water in a buckle. Oh, the little island you bless man. Thank you, Father God, for continuing to smile on us. Yeah man, if you've been following this channel, you know that this is a channel which is dedicated to aviation out of Jamaica and related materials concerning aviation. So on this one now we are specifically touch on Delta Airlines, which is one of the airlines which I've noticed have stepped up their game significantly in Jamaica. No, I feel like I'm there Atlanta. Well, it might not quite reach Atlanta state still, but you know what I mean. I mean Delta and the gate, Delta and the taxiway, Delta takeoff. I mean 7 Delta I'm looking at while this was being filmed. And the same vibe you would get when you go Atlanta. I mean, Atlanta is the hub for Delta Airlines. So you'll have Delta dominating the airport at Atlanta. So Delta would be occupying the gates, the taxiways, the runways. So the same kind of vibe is happening here in Jamaica. Delta not only increased the number of flights coming into Montego Bay, they have also increased the size of the aircraft they're using into Montego Bay. So they're using the 757, which we refer to as the flying pencil. It's a little bigger than the A321 and it's bigger than the 737-900. You can notice it has 4 wheels at the back on either side, so you can use that to identify easier. So it's a larger aircraft than the traditional 737 and the A321 series. Delta go on with that thing now. Coming out of the hub, Atlanta, Delta has at least 3 to 4 direct flights from Atlanta into Montego Bay, Jamaica. And it's like Delta say, alright, some of you don't want to come to Atlanta, fly from Atlanta to Jamaica. Stay one there, we come through now. And Delta does say, whop, Minneapolis to Jamaica, Montego Bay. Whop, Detroit to Montego Bay direct. Whop, Boston to Montego Bay direct. Whop, New York to Montego Bay direct. No, sir. Delta remind me, say, them are one of the major players in the North American marketplace. And them full of plane. And if the need arise, they can meet the demand. But I want to tell you, say, our next North American giant put a foot out there, you know. And because of that, the numbers through the roof, brother. But I'm going to tell you about that in another video. So stay tuned. By the way, you subscribe yet? Yeah, wait, pan. Yeah, man. I'm going to make you know who step up to the table and who bringing up the numbers. Doesn't mean that only the major players are causing these numbers at Montego Bay. Everybody is chipping in. Everybody is chipping in. I mean, every airline that comes to Montego Bay has given some level of increase in arrivals and departure. So much so is the numbers here at MBJ Airport that recently MBJ Airport put out a press release saying that basically they're telling you that when you come into the airport, give yourself a minimum 3 hours because the numbers are here. So you're expecting a lot of people to be at the airport when you get here. And also, when you come into the airport, based upon what they're saying, is that don't bring everybody. I mean, you know, you have somebody to help you with your luggage them till you get to a certain point where you check in your luggage. But you can't bring a busload of people just to come hug you up in an airport to say goodbye when you reach immigration. I mean, the numbers are not allowing that right now. I mean, if you come, you're coming, but they're asking you, you know, to limit the number of persons you take with you to the airport. Another thing that has happened also, which has eased the congestion, especially getting into the airport by the roadway, is that if you were following the videos I was doing before on the Montego Bay expansion project, you would have seen in an earlier video that there was a road which was being constructed, which was referred to as a bus road. So that road is now operational. So what that means, there's another entry point for persons leaving the airport. So you'll have larger groups of people coming who will be traveling together. Now what happens now in this case, instead of these people coming to the regular area where everybody goes, they are directed to the bus area. So with the absence of especially the larger buses taking the guests to and from the hotels, which it is fair to say that that is the larger number of the traffic coming into MBJ. With the absence of those buses now, The main entrance, has a smoother traffic flow. I was out there just a couple days after that was implemented, and you could see a significant reduction. The congestion has eased significantly, and it's smooth flowing traffic in and out of the airport. Why I don't know where you hear about Jamaica, especially for the people them who don't live at Jamaica, but I am here in Jamaica and I live at Jamaica here, and I can tell you, this winter season here is one for the record books, that I can tell you. Things are going down at Montego Bay here, so in regards to aviation, plane and land down here like crazy, like rice grain. I mean, airport pack every day. I mean, midweek might slow down, but when we say slow down, we mean still busy by Jamaican standards. So like our Delta we are featuring in the other one, we want to bless up the people up at Delta this one and say thanks to them for the amount of seat to them dedicated to Jamaica. I don't know if there's any other Caribbean destination getting the seats Jamaica is getting from Delta Airlines at this time. I have some very well informed viewers to this channel, and I'm sure they'll let me know in the comment section. So bless up on yourself again, Delta. And also, I want to say this too, I don't see no wide body forward at Jamaica. I don't know why. I wait for the wide body them. Come on, we don't have them. So as an airplane spotter, we look forward to things like that. We want to see some wide body on the ground. So, I mean, if anybody from Delta watch the video, make we know what going in regards to the wide body them, and we could see some of them on the ground also. So bless up on yourself, and also we can't close the video and not big up the hard-working team at MBJ Airport, who I know, I mean, based upon what I am seeing happening at this airport, these people are going through, I mean, you have to be moving to be working at MBJ now, based upon the numbers that. So bless up on yourself, everybody working at MBJ, from the people them on the ground to the people them up in the air, wherever you're there. And make your contribution. Bless up on yourself, and Jamaican people love you and appreciate one another for the nation. Bless up on yourself every time. So make we show you the wide body where we are talking about, because we see Delta bring them down here already. See one here? This is one A330. Then bring it on the ground last year, so we still await. Make we know what go on Delta with the wide body them. Not even a Dreamliner. I mean, we see the 757 come, but that is not a wide body, it's a big plane. Make we know what I want. Bless up on yourself every time. Remember to like and subscribe. Peace.
Delta Tango contact, approach radar 120.8.
120.8, Delta Tango.
Arrived 42. Locate Bravo, contact ground 121.7.
Delta 199.7.